that this is a banana cake. I know it doesn't look like it because of how soft and moist it is, but trust me, it's a banana cake. And I'm going to show you how to make it. And please, you have to follow the exact steps I'm going to give you because I've done this recipe many times, and each time I change something, it doesn't come out great. Okay, let's do it. First things first, we start with four bananas that you smash just anyhow. And to that, you're going to add 1/3 cup of melted butter. And please do not over melt your butter or do not heat it for it to be hot. Then you add half a cup of sugar, and that's optional, especially for those who are trying to cut on sugar. Then you add 3 eggs and you mix it very well. This is very important to mix until the sugar dissolves. Then to that you add half a cup of milk. I used the same cup of the butter and it was fine. So then we're gonna start with our dry ingredients. We go with 1.5 cup of flour. To that we add 1 teaspoon, okay, the small one cup of baking powder, then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And the baking soda is very important. Please, if you do not have baking soda, go and get you some from the store because I tried to make this cake without the baking soda and it didn't turn out great. The other things I added were optional. That was just 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and nutmeg and a pinch of salt as well. Those are all optional. You mix that very well and you prepare your baking pan. Then you can add a cooking film at the bottom. Heat it 3 times to let the bubbles out, and then you're going to bake it at 350 for 50 minutes. And make sure that your knife comes out clean like this, and I told you to trust me.